2018 Nissan Titan 4-wheel drive non-XD again. And today we're going to be doing some rear sway bar end link replacements. These are the original ones. This is the passenger side, and here's the replacement for it. Okay, I'm replacing them with the Moog branded part, 18mm socket. I'm going to try to use impact on these, so a thin adjustable wrench, or an 11/16 or a 20mm like open end or side angle of it. So, all right, you can see it's spinning now. And there's the nut for the top, or breaker bar's in the building. There we go. I like to do a smidge of anise. Okay. Simple. $17mm for the Moog. Then I'm finishing it up with the torque wrench set at 37 foot-pounds. Okay, there we go. Second the bottom one in place. To the top one. Okay, much of the same on this side. This is the driver's side. I did the passenger side first. Breaker bar it is. Okay, again, so this is a 17mm, the Moog, and then the back side of the stud is a 19. Don't go crazy with the torque. I'm going with 37 foot-pounds. Again, this is not called for manufacturer spec. Okay, so, or nothing I could find published. It might be right, I doubt it. There we go. And that's it. That's both sides on the rear. I will link these below.